So we've got Sally today from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm using a very pale blue. It doesn't show up hugely on camera at the minute, but it will in a moment. And what I do is draw a line down the middle of the nail to signify the middle of the nail, but also the middle of the head. And then I do like an upside down teardrop shape and just round the chin out a little bit. Once I've done that, I draw the neck on, try and keep that as fine as possible. Then I draw the eyes. Normally with the eyes, I'll draw a guiding point where I want them to start. And I created, again, 2 large teardrops, a rounder at the other side. And then I filled them in. They're all done in white. Then I mixed some teal with the paler blue. And then I made some little eyebrows, like an eyeshadowy colour. And then I outlined the eyes in black. So the colour I'm actually outlining here with is the black, but then for the stitches I mixed a tiny bit of black just with some white on my palette. I literally just did it with the brush end. I wasn't particularly precise with it because I didn't want it to be too dark. And I used this for any remaining stitches and detailing on the face. And then I used my dotting tool with some jet black to create the eyes. Then for the lips, just 2 triangles and a semicircle with some red gel polish. So easy. Then I recreated the eyelashes with some jet black. So for the hair, I just mixed red, orange and a touch of black, just a tiny, tiny little bit. I did do 2 coats because I wanted a bit of extra vibrancy, but you can do whatever you feel is right with this one. It's not a science. Then once I'd done that, I went in with a little bit of black just to create a little bit of depth and some hair strands. I hope this has helped, and if you've got any questions or any of the tutorials you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments.